Hello there everyone, I'm Crazy Caleb, and today we are taking a look at Digital Cipher. This is one that not many of the people in the community actually play, and it's actually not one that's TP supported yet, so I thought I might as well take a look at it. So what we have to do is first we have to get this little string, it's actually quite big to be fair, and call it string A. So let's call that string A. So it's going to be Sierra, India, Juliet, Uniform, Zulu, Victor, Golf, Romeo, Tango, Hotel, Tango, India, and Charlie, Zulu, Romeo. So that's going to be string A. Now next what we have to do is we have to take string A and reverse it. And we call this string B. So string B is going to be basically the reverse. So I'm going to enter it in based off, I'm going to enter this in from right to left of string A. It's going to be Romeo, Zulu, Charlie, India, Tango, Hotel, Tango, Romeo, Golf, Victor, Zulu, Uniform, Juliet, India, Sierra. It's the exact same length, so I did enter it correctly. That's good to hear. Now, what exactly do we do with this? Take the numerical value of the first letter in string A and the first letter in string B and add them up. Now, an important thing to note is this is not your average numerical value. In order to get numerical value of the letter, follow this sequence. A equals 0, Bravo equals 1, Charlie equals 2, and so on. So basically we're going to be adding the numeric positions that is 1 less. So in this case, 19 is going to be instead 18. So we're going to add 18 plus 19, 18 plus 19, or 18 plus 17, excuse me, 18 plus 17, that's Sierra and Romeo. And that will equal 35. Now, as you can clearly see, 35 is too big of a number to have on the alphabet. What do we do with that? So we take the digital root of the sum and then subtract 1. And then we click the button that corresponds to this digit. Repeat this for the whole sequence. So we're going to take the digital root of 35. 35 is going to be 8. Then we'll subtract 1. It becomes 7. And 7, in this case, where A equals 0, Bravo equals 1, Charlie equals 2, and so on, that's going to be a hotel. So our first letter in this string will be a hotel. Now, let's add India and Zulu together. India is going to be 8, and Zulu is going to be a 25. 25 plus 8 is going to be a 33. And 33, digital root that, is 6. And then 6 minus 5 is going to be, 6 minus 1, it's going to be 5. And then 5, in this case, is a foxtrot. And we're going to keep doing that for the entire sequence. Now, a nice thing to note is that there is a middle sequence. There's a middle letter that is going to be the same for both, on both strings. And I'm going to point out why this is going to be really useful. So Juliet is going to be 9, and Charlie is going to be 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. That'll be digital root of 2. And we subtract 1 from that, that's going to be a 1, which is the Bravo in this case. Uniform is a 20. India is an 8. Add those together. 28 is going to be 10, and then 10 is going to be 1. Subtracting 1 is going to be 0. So in this case, that would be an alpha, which is a 1, or a 0 in this case. 25 plus 19. That is going to be, if I can do my math, 44. 44 is the digital root of 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. And 7, in this case, is a hotel. Hotel is going to be a 7. Victor is going to be a 21. And then 21 plus 7 is a 28. And then 28 digital root is going to be 10, which is going to be a 1. 1 minus 1 subtracted from 1 is a 0, which is alpha. And then golf and tango is a 6 and a 19. 6 plus 19 is a 25, which becomes 7. 7 minus 1 is going to be a 6. 6 in this case is golf. Now we're at Romeo, Romeo. They're both 17. 17 plus 17 is a 34. That'll be 7. Minus 1 is 6, which is also golf. Now, let's take a look at the rest of the sequence. It is the opposite of the rest of the sequence. As you can see here, we have a tango golf and a tango golf. So what we can do here is actually, since it's the opposite and they're both adding, we can just do the rest of the sequence the opposite. So it can be G, A, H, A, B, F, and H. So it's kind of like a going up and going down sort of deal. Now, let's enter this in. H, F, E, A, H, A, G, G, G. Alpha, hotel, alpha, B, F, and let's say I accidentally made a mistake in my work, and I entered in India, perhaps, for example. Let's see what happens when this happens.
Oh, I would love to give you that, but I really can't.
It did give me a strike, but it doesn't reset the entire sequence. So we can enter in hotel again, and then it works. And that's a solved module. That's pretty much it to this module. And I'm going to do one more example, just because it is a very tedious module to do. But once you get used to it, it is very easy to do. So next sequence, our string A is going to be a Charlie Golf, Papa Zulu, Golf, Alpha Romeo, Alpha Hotel Echo, Yankee Golf, Juliet Hotel Lima. Reverse that, it's going to be Lima Hotel Juliet, Golf, Yankee, Echo Hotel, Alpha Romeo Alpha, Golf Zulu Papa Golf Charlie. Okay, let's add these up. Charlie is 2, Lima is 11, 2 plus 11 is 13, it's 4, minus 1 is a 3, 3 being delta. Golf and hotel. Golf is going to be 6, hotel is going to be 7, 6 plus 7 is 13. That's going to be 4 digital root. And 4 minus 1 is a 3, 3 is delta. Again, go figure. And in the meantime, I'm also going to be filling it in on this side, because these are the exact same functions. Delta, delta. Actually, that's not good. But, yeah, let's just keep this going. Papa and Juliet. Papa is 15. Juliet is 9. 15 plus 9 is going to be a 24. Digital root of 24 is 6. 6 minus 1 is a 5. 5 is a foxtrot. I'm going to get rid of these because these are just going to keep Zulu Golf. It's going to be a 25 plus 6. 25 plus 6 is 31. That'll be a 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 is delta. Oh my gosh, we have a lot of deltas in this case. Golf and Yankee is going to be a 6 plus 24. That'll be 30. 3 minus 1 is a 2. 2 is Charlie. Alpha Echo. Alpha is 0. 0 plus 4 is a 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 is a delta. And another important thing to note, if the digital root before subtracting 1 is already 0, use 0 instead. It will apply with this next situation coming up here. Romeo and hotel, that's going to be 17 plus 7. 17 plus 7 is a 24. 24 digital root is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 foxtrot. Alpha alpha, that's 0 plus 0. If we subtract 1, this is where the situation comes in. We already used 0, so we use 0. So in this case, alpha alpha is a 0. So it's going to be an alpha. And now what we can do is just reverse this entire string right here. So we can do Foxtrot, Delta Charlie, Delta Foxtrot, Delta Delta. Now let's enter this in. Delta Delta, Foxtrot Delta, Charlie Delta, Foxtrot Alpha Foxtrot, Delta Charlie Delta, and then Foxtrot Delta Delta. And that's a solved module. There really isn't much to this module. It's a very tedious process. After you get over the first half, you can just simply reverse that first half. So that's pretty much it to Digital Cipher. As always, I hope you guys enjoy. Stay crazy, stay cool, don't explode. See you guys.